So tasty. Mm. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you raspberry peach smoothie. So as is customary, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much to Ven Lifestyle for always commenting on my videos. Thank you so much, Ven. Thank you guys. So remember to follow me on all social accounts, okay? So let's dive right into this raspberry peach smoothie, okay? So I have here some frozen peach, frozen raspberry, and I bought this one, guys. This is the one I bought, yeah. And I have some almond milk, and this is the reduced sugar one, so you can get that in the supermarket. And guys, for some extra different style, I'm gonna be using some sandwich bar, 2 of them I'm gonna put in this smoothie. So I'm gonna eliminate the yogurt and I'm going to use these. Alright, so let's get back in. So I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. The raspberry is already frozen, and the peach. Okay. I'm gonna break them up to make the blender easier to blend. So guys, this is a little way to have your children drink smoothies if they're not interested. Put some of their favorites in it so that they can have it, some ice cream, some of these bars. Yeah, just prep it up. You use roughly a cup of milk. Alright. So it's easy. 3 ingredients: the peach, the raspberry, and the sandwich. Well, 4, and the milk. No ice today because it's cold and everything is frozen in this. And that is it, guys. All done. I don't know, the video was passed, so I'm not so sure what is missing. What is my raspberry peach smoothie with sandwich bars? Okay, so I'm gonna pour this out now. Look how beautiful the raspberry makes it look. So beautiful, so beautiful, so colorful. I love this color. I love this color, guys. I love this color. I really do. I really love this color. And I'm gonna garnish it with some whipped cream. I'm gonna garnish it with some whipped cream, guys. Look at that, guys. my raspberry peach smoothie. Taste this for you. So delicious. So guys, you know, it's two exotic fruits, raspberry and peach. So it's a little tangy, tangy, and I didn't add no sweetness. Like, it's just a sandwich bar that is sweet. So you get that nice taste, not sweet, but in between, because the almond milk is reduced sweetness too, reduced sugar. So yeah. And the whipped cream is perfect. Alright guys, the whipped cream is perfect. So go ahead and try this smoothie guys, you will love it, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for sharing. So until my next video, bye.